Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, November 3rd, 1999, 8 am. The influence of Sahaj Marg is extending in India. My son is doing important work. This way is perfectly convenient for our compatriots. India is free on this point. Each one can practice as one sees fit, without any restriction. If one does not do evil to one's fellow man, why should one hide? We deplore the state of mind prevailing in certain countries in the Occident, but we cannot change anything about it. It will take much time for people's minds to evolve. That will not prevent the souls in need from bathing in this refreshing wave. The evolution of beings is fraught with all sorts of twists and turns, so it has always been. Sahaj Marg provides a new vision of spirituality, and that disturbs some people. People are amazed by its simplicity. What is behind it? Quite simply, an effective means of advancing without external ostentation, without complicated ritual. It is a rule of life accessible to all. It does not require more time than gymnastics, jogging, or any other care that is available to your body for its balance, and it enables you to live a great mystical adventure. Babuji. Wednesday, November 3rd, 1999, 10 am. My dear child, we have said it to you enough. Do not mind the reactions of your fellow men concerning our contacts. The Abbasis speak without knowing. Never mind their remarks. My son has not responded as yet, but he appreciates that it was what matters. Don't you have enough worries? Let people talk and let your heart be at peace. I had endured much more than that, believe me, regarding the messages I received. Not only did some of my brothers regard me as a simpleton, but also as living in a state of complete delirium. How could these great persons come to me? That was beyond them. Very great masters in India or elsewhere were not mediums. They were communicating on other planes with higher entities, but did not have this gift. That is the way it goes, and that did not hinder at all their immense capability on the spiritual level. All this is not easy to understand for the common run of people who do not have those perceptions. Follow your way. Do not worry about the rest. You will never be able to prevent these kinds of stupid remarks from reaching you. Be blessed for all that you are doing. Babuji.